Why adjustable dumbbells are perfect for small spaces.
The adjustable dumbbells offer a compact solution for strength training at home. Unlike traditional fixed weight sets, they combine several weights into a single set, saving both space and money. For those with limited room, adjustable dumbbells allow you to enjoy a versatile workout routine without cluttering your living area with multiple pieces of equipment.
Key features to look for.
When choosing adjustable dumbbells, consider size and shape, as compact models are easiest to store. Look for quick and secure adjustment mechanisms, such as dial or lever systems, to change weights smoothly. Durability is important, so check if materials are sturdy. Comfortable, non-slip handles also enhance your workout experience, especially during longer sessions.
Top picks. Space-saving designs.
Some of the best adjustable dumbbells for small spaces include the Bowflex SelectTech 552, NordicTrack SelectAweight, and PowerBlock Sport Series. Each of these models is known for reliable adjustment systems, space-efficient design, and solid construction. They combine multiple weight settings into a single footprint, making them ideal for apartments or compact home gyms.
Benefits beyond saving space.
Adjustable dumbbells do more than just keep your workout area organized. They provide flexibility for a variety of exercises, accommodating beginner to advanced routines. Quick weight changes help with different training styles, like circuit workouts or drop sets. With fewer pieces to manage, setup and cleanup are faster, making workouts more convenient and enjoyable.
How to maintain and store your dumbbells.
To prolong the life of your adjustable dumbbells, always follow the manufacturer's care instructions. Store them in a dry place and regularly check adjustment mechanisms for smooth operation. Use a small rack or slide them under furniture when not in use. Proper maintenance ensures they remain a reliable, space-saving part of your home fitness routine.